Welcome to solverfy.
So I was told that I could use Excel and show you how to use Excel to make these. And plus, I'm assuming if you're taking this class and you need help with this, you would be using Excel to answer these questions. So using the NFL salary frequency table, it wants you to construct a histogram, a frequency polygon, and an ogive for this data. So in order to do that, I need to first find the midpoints of these. So in order to do that, I'm going to just copy all of this information here. I think that would be faster than me typing everything out. And I'm going to put my cursor here, put a parenthesis, and then change this to a plus sign. And then close it and then divide by 2. So I'm taking 39.9, adding it to 42.8, and then I'm dividing it by 2. So I'm finding that's how you have to find the midpoint. You have to find the number that's in the middle. So adding that and then dividing by 2. And you just have to do this for each one. Equal sign, start your parenthesis, close up the space, add a plus sign, and then divide by 2. And only have a couple more left to go. Plus sign, and then divide by 2. Oop, forgot my equal sign. Equals. Then equals, plus sign, and then divide by 2. And then equal sign, open parenthesis, plus sign, close my parenthesis, divide by 2. All right, and so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the relative frequency, and I'm going to wrap that, and then I need to find the cumulative frequency, and wrap that also, just make it big enough, and just gonna close that up. Okay, so to do the histogram first, I'm going to highlight all of this information and I'm going to insert. And what I do is I go to recommended chart and I do the bar chart, but then I double click on it and I close out the gap width. That's right under where the little bars are. And then I'm going to label this the histogram. And because these look a little washed out here, what I like to do is I make the border. And so I just like to make it a little bit thick. You could change it to white or black and a solid line. Oh, and that didn't work that time. There we go. Oop. There we go. And make that a little bit thicker. Okay, so there is my histogram. To get my relative frequency, I'm going to hit the equal sign, and then I'm going to take my frequency of 2, and I'm going to divide it by my total of 31, and hit enter. And then I'm going to drag this down, and it will do 2 divided by 31, which is the same number. Then 5 divided by 31, 5 divided by 31, 12 divided by 31, and so on and so forth. Except I'm only going to go out to the hundredths place. Then to get my cumulative frequency, I'm going to hit the equal sign. Then I'm going to hit this first one of 0.06 and hit enter. Then for my next space, I'm going to hit the equal sign. Then I'm going to take that number, 0.06, and add it to this 0.06. And then I'm going to drag this down, and it will add up all of it will add 0.13 to 0.16 to get 0.29. 0.29 to 0.16 will get you 0.45. I'm also going to total this column up of my relative frequency to make sure that I get 1.0, because if I do not, then that means that I went somewhere wrong. So now I'm going to make my frequency polygon. So I'm going to insert, and I'm going to go again to recommended charts because it's always here. And it's right here, this one. And it's my frequency polygon. And then to get my cumulative frequency, I'm going to insert again. I'm going to go to the same type of chart. And instead, see how the blue is over relative frequency? I'm just going to move it. And I'm going to call this the ogive. And so here's my ogive. So I have my histogram, my frequency polygon, and my ogive. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.